Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you are all fine and doing great. So let's start our today's episode. In our today's episode, we are going to learn about input or output devices of computer. So let's start. So first we should know about what are input devices. An input device is a piece of equipment used to provide data and control signals to an information processing system such as computer. Input refers to any information or data that is sent to a computer for processing. Now let's learn about function of input devices. The function of an input device is to communicate information to a computer or other sort of information processing equipment. So now let's have an example. So there are so many examples of input devices such as keyboard, mouse, joystick, scanner, web camera and microphone. There are some more examples of input devices that are as follows. Now let's learn about output devices. So what is an output device? An output device is any piece of computer hardware equipment which converts information into a human readable form, and output is data that a computer sends. So what is the function of output devices? An output device reproduces or displays the results of that processing. So now let's have examples. So there are also many examples of output devices that are monitor, printer, speaker, headphone, projector. There are some more examples of output devices that are as follows. So now let's learn about what is the difference between input and output devices. So input devices versus output devices. First, input devices, hardware components that are used to provide data and control signals to a computer. Whereas output devices, hardware components that are receive data from a computer to perform a task. Secondly, input devices send data to the computer and output devices get the data from the computer. Now let's have a few examples like input devices, keyboard, mouse, scanner, microphone and so on. And output devices, for example, monitor, speaker, printer and there are so many. So this is a basically difference between input and output devices you can read. So there are more examples that you can see, that input devices, keyboard, joystick, scanner, and for the output devices, headphone, screen and laser printer. And you can see that digital camera, touch screen, CD, DVD, fax, that are devices which are input and output devices. They are both. They are input and output devices both. Okay. So now let's have a comparison and similarities. Okay. For example, input and output have a similarity, that is number 1, virtual reality, number 2, USB memory drive, number 3, touch screen device, number 4, fax machine, number 5, digital camera and number 6, CD and DVD drives. Okay. So we have learned about input and output devices. So I hope you liked today's lesson. If you have any query or any question about input or output devices of computer, feel free to contact me anytime. Okay? In the comment section below. So I hope you liked today's lesson. So don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, like my videos and share it with your friends. Okay? So don't forget it. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Allah Hafiz.